Hi everyone, here I'm unboxing my Supernote A6x. This is the cover that the company threw in for free for the long shipping time. It's actually only take about 1 month and a half. And this is the cover, the case leather that I purchased extra along with a hurt metal pan. It feels like a Mont Blanc pan. It's pretty cool. And this is the cable, Type C, and this is the a little bit bigger than my Kindle. And for the sizing, I normally use a lot of journaling, and I use an A6 notebook. As you can see, the Supernote is a little bit bigger, wider, but shorter. Same for the iPad, mini iPad. It's wider and shorter than my mini iPad. Okay, so, and this is the iPad Air, and it's a lot smaller. So, and it's a lot lighter than my mini iPad, which is a big plus. And the writing so far is really feel like paper, so it's pretty nice. I will continue to update you as I go, but now I can get rid of the other devices. I don't even need it with this Super Note. So comment below if you want to learn more, and thank you.